Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to change IP address on Android. So there are basically two ways in order to change your IP address. First of all, you can set a static IP address or you can also use a VPN. Setting the static IP address changes the IP address of your Wi-Fi. So for that, what you have to do is access the Wi-Fi settings. Simply scroll down from the top of your screen. You'll be able to find the option for Wi-Fi. Long press on it. Now you'll be led to the internet interface. Simply tap on the gear icon right next to the Wi-Fi that you're connected. Now you'll be able to see the network details over here. Tap on the pencil icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply tap on the option Advanced Options. Now over here what you have to do is find the option for IP settings. Right now DHCP is selected. Simply tap on it. Now tap on the option static. Now after that you can see over here you'll be able to find the options like IP address, gateway, etc. Tap on the field of IP address. Now you'll be able to change the IP address over here. Simply enter the new IP address that you want to change to. Now after that, if your phone allows, simply tap on the save option and the IP address of your Wi-Fi will be changed. But if you want to change the IP address on your Android, there is also another method that you can follow. For that, what you have to do is use a VPN. So in order to use a VPN, first of all, download the application VPN. For that, launch open Play Store. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for VPN. You'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find various applications. Simply tap on any VPN application that you want to download. After doing that, tap on the install option. Since I've already installed it, instead of install option, I'm being able to see the option for open. Once you install the application, open the application. Now once the VPN application has been opened, you can select the location of your choice. Some locations will be free, for some you'll have to pay, so simply tap on the location of your choice. After doing that, tap on the connect option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be connected to the VPN. Now over here the IP address will be changed. Instead of the IP address you'll be able to see the VPN IP over here. So like this you'll be able to change the IP address on Android. So that is how you change IP address on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.